listen. I don't wanna see anymore. Give me a vision that you could move this heart to be set apart. I don't need to recognize the man in the mirror, and I don't wanna trade your plans for something familiar. I can't waste a day, I can't stay the same. I wanna be different, I wanna be changed, till all of me's gone, and all that remains is a fire so bright the whole world can say that there's something different. So could you be different in me? I don't wanna spend my life stuck in a pattern, and I don't wanna gain this world but lose what matters. So I'm giving up everything because I wanna be different, I wanna be changed, till all of me's gone, and all that remains is a fire so bright the whole world can say that there's something different. So could you be different? Oh, I know that I am far from perfect, but through you the cross still says I'm worth it. Take this beating in my heart and come and finish what you've started. When they see you, let them see me, 'cause I just wanna be different, yeah. I wanna be different, I wanna be changed, till all of me's gone, and all that remains, oh, is a fire so bright the whole world can say that there's something different. So could you be different? I just wanna be different. So could you be different?